Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like nyo rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ng mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. If you are also interested in this money bowl, available din to sa aking Shopee. Yan. So, let's see, Scorpio, what's up? Energy update sa inyo. Second half ng December 16 to 31. Grabe, no? Okay, let's see. Overall energy ninyo, the Hanged Man. Meron kayong hinihintay. Oo, pwedeng merong mga bagay na pinag-iisipan nyo muna bago nyo gawin. You are being careful in taking action. Yung iba, pwede rin tong procrastination, yung tipong may mga dinidelay kayo na gawin. Maybe because you're not yet ready. Oo. So, kung di pa talaga ready, then pag-isipan muna talagang maigi. What is the Hanged Man? Ooh, Eight of Cups. Oh my God. Scorpio, parang meron kayong gustong iwanan na sitwasyon. But parang naghihintay kayo ng go signal. Yung tipong may mga signs kayong hinihintay na kapag ganito na yung nangyari, aalis na ako. Pero pag hindi, ibig sabihin magsistay. So, it takes a lot of courage, no? Para makapag-decide kayo kung aalis na kayo dyan. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman lahat ng akala ng iba kasi, pag ang tingin nila, no, nasa maayos kang kalagayan. Pero, sa totoo lang, medyo may toxic na situation dito. Let's say, for example, no, yung iba, magugulat ka na lang, nag-resign sila sa trabaho nila, kahit na malaki yung sweldo nila. Tapos sasabihin ng iba, ba't ka umalis dyan? Laki-laki ng sweldo mo. Ba't ka umalis? Sayang naman. But, hindi nila kasi nakikita yung struggle ng tao, no? Maaaring sobrang toxic, wala na siyang pahinga. It's really damaging the person's mental health. So, para sa kanya, yun yung best to leave that situation, a toxic situation na hindi matutumbasan or matatabatan ng pera. So that's what I'm seeing for you. You are trying to reassess the situation. Hinahanap mo yung sagot dito sa tanong mo kung magsistay ka. But I feel like for some of you, you are going to leave. Meron lang kayong hinihintay. Pwedeng may hinihintay lang kayong bonus or tipong mga ilang months na lang or years, maabot nyo na yung certain period na pwede kang may makuhang retirement benefits, yung mga ganon. Okay? And I also see you walking away from a situation or a relationship na sa tingin mo wala ng patutunguhan. And then your challenge is the Devil card. O yan. Ito na nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyong toxic situation. Minsan kasi, nagsistay tayo sa isang toxic situation dahil meron pa rin naman tayong nakukuhang benepisyo doon. Yun nga lang, may mga bagay na kailangan nating tiisin. So, yung iba, yun yung challenge sa inyo kung paano nyo titiisin yan. The Tower. Yung iba, ito yung tipong iipunin mo yung nagtitiis ka, ipunin mo. Hanggang sa bigla ka na lang sasabog. Matitrigger ka na, okay, I'm done. 'Di ba? Tapos na, ayoko na. I'm out, ganon. So, I feel like, yung pag-alis mo sa isang situation na you know that has always been toxic from the start, binigyan mo ng chance, pero hindi pa rin sapat. And I feel like ito yung challenge sa'yo ngayon na, are you ready? Are you ready to leave that situation? Okay? So, itong opportunity sa'yo with the Page of Swords, this is clarity in your situation. I also have the Six of Cups. Parang ano ka, babalikan mo yung gusto mo. Babalikan mo kung saan ka mas masaya. Hahanapin mo yung dating ikaw. Oo, bago ka napunta sa isang sitwasyon na toxic. So, your blessing is the Ace of Swords. Ace of Wands, yes. So, new beginnings, new travel opportunities. Maaring meron kang ma-unlock na creative talents and skills na hindi mo akalain dito ka mas magiging successful. You're going to be blessed there. You have the Two of Swords. It takes a lot of courage, no? Lakas ng loob na simulan to. Kasi parang sa tingin mo, para siyang suntok sa buwan. Parang you're going to take a risk. But it is showing na as long as you believe in yourself na kaya mo, na meron kang full concentration about your focus, mahihit mo talaga yung target. Okay? Mahihit mo yung target na yan. So, let's see what else for Scorpio. Ngayong second half. You have Saturn in Cancer in the 4th house. 4th house is your family life, your roots. I think you will focus more on your family, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Yung iba sa inyo, if you have kids, tapos nasa toxic situation ka with your partner, with your husband or wife, yung iba sa inyo, ang isi-secure nyo rito is yung mga anak. Parang you feel na hindi nila dinideserve to stay in a situation, in a family that you feel like hindi nyo na kayang ayusin, okay? Or medyo toxic na. You also have Sun in Capricorn in the 10th house. Yes, you are also going to focus on your career. Oo. Mas iisipin mo kung saan ka mas magbe-benefit, saan mo mas mapapatunayan yung galing mo, yung talents mo, yung skills mo. And I think may mga mag-open up na new opportunities sa'yo in terms of your career, na kung saan mas may establish mo yung stability ng iyong finances. You have Mars in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Mars is, parang power. Domination parang you are lalaban ka na ngayon, no? Kung dati hindi ka, parang tatahi-tahimik ka lang, or parang hinahayaan mo lang na ibuli ka or i-take advantage ka ng ibang tao. Ngayon, ilalaban mo to, okay? Ipagtatanggol mo ngayon yung sarili mo. Ipapakita mo sa iba yung lakas mo, that kaya mong lumaban. So, sa money, career, finances, you have experiment. Meron kang mga susubukang bagong path, no? Or new opportunities sa trabaho, sa career mo. And you are going to find a solution to your current situation sa trabaho. You are manifesting your dream life. Oo. So, ano man tong gusto mong i-manifest sa career mo, sa finances mo, kayang-kaya mo yan. Lalo na if you have someone na i-mentor ka, i-coach ka, iti-train ka sa tamang skills para ma-achieve mo yung minamanifest mo sa money, sa business, sa finances mo, sa career mo. Sa love naman, meron ditong wedding. Letting go, Scorpio, yung iba sa inyo, yung commitment nyo sa isang relationship ay maaring you are letting that go. Kasi nakikita mo na may iba ka pang options. Yung iba, hindi na magtitiis. Kasi nakita nyo na meron pa palang iba kayong pwedeng i-pursue, pagpilian, kesa magtiis sa isang situation na relationship na toxic. You and your loved ones are safe, yes. So, I think isa yan sa binibigyan mo rin ng attention ngayong December, na maprotektahan mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay in so many ways that you can. Have faith in your dreams, yes. Magtitiwala ka sa iyong mga pangarap. At yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng motivation to achieve them, no? Especially yung loved ones mo. See, don't let your past hold you back. Hindi mo hayaan na ikaw ay maapektuhan pa ng nangyari sa past mo or mapigilan pa yung growth mo nung mga naghahabol dyan from the past. Okay, you are going to focus on your present moment and setting goals for the future. You have the 6th house. This is Aries and Venus. So, I think ngayon, with the Aries energy, ito yung, mas aggressive ka ngayon in achieving what you really want, what you love. Because Venus is the planet of love and your desires, no? And with the 6th house, gagawin mo yan in order, no? Very organized, in an organized way. May plano. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.